Today on The Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make perfectly crispy baked or fried taquitos. Taquitos, also known as a rolled taco, are filled with a savory, delicious meat and fried to a crispy exterior. I'm going to show you how to bake it or fry it, and you are sure to love it. To start off making our taquitos, we need to start with the filling. So we're going to combine that all in a large bowl. To that bowl, we're going to add in 2 cups of shredded chicken. Instead of using shredded chicken, you could use shredded beef or pork. I love using leftover rotisserie chicken. But whatever meat you use, it's going to need some more flavor, so let's season that up with 1/4 a cup of finely diced onion, 1 5-ounce can of diced green chilies that have also been finely chopped, 1/4 a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. You could also use pepper jack if you like. 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and give that just a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Which I say to taste because depending on that shredded meat you use, you may not need to use the salt. Now that we have all those flavors added in, mix it until it's well combined. Then grab yourself about 20 corn tortillas and let's get to rolling. First, to make sure that those corn tortillas don't crack, wrap them up in a clean towel and microwave them for about 45 to 60 seconds. Take a warm, softened tortilla and spoon into that about 2 tablespoons of that shredded meat mixture. Tightly roll that up, and to ensure that it's not gonna pop open, we're gonna secure that with a toothpick. Now we need to cook them, so let me show you how to bake them first, and then I'll show you how to fry them. To bake your taquitos, we're going to lightly spritz a baking sheet with cooking oil. Place those rolled tacos on that sheet. We're gonna generously spritz or baste these with cooking oil. We're going to bake these in our preheated oven that's 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. To deep fry these taquitos, in a large skillet we need to put in 2 inches of cooking oil and heat that oil until it hits about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that that oil is hot, we're going to set in those taquitos where they will cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Go ahead and rotate those as needed, and what we're looking for is that perfect golden color. Once they are perfectly golden, go ahead and remove them and place them on a paper towel lined plate or baking sheet. Once those are all finished cooking, make sure you remove that toothpick and you are ready to eat. My favorite way to eat them is dunked in the Stay-at-Home Chef's guacamole. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomechef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.